About every 3 months, it is necessary to sanitize and rotate the mattresses. In some hotels, this task may be the responsibility of the houseperson. It is necessary to wear thick gloves to do this service. Take off all of the bedding, which should be sent to the laundry room. Then take off the mattress protector. Next, the mattress is vacuumed, going from top to bottom first, and then from side to side. The sides should be vacuumed as well, making sure to get the edges of the mattress. The next step is to disinfect the mattress by passing a cloth soaked in a disinfectant product over the surface. The product should be applied to the cloth, never directly to the mattress. Having done that, the mattress should be lifted and placed standing up, supported by a wall or a piece of furniture. Now, the vacuuming of the base protector of the mattress, called the skirt, is done. When the skirt is very dirty, it should be removed to be washed. Remove the skirt to vacuum the mattress base, called the box. If the bed is conventional, with a wood or iron structure, it is necessary to vacuum all the parts and clean with a damp cloth. The box should also be cleaned with disinfectant using a cloth